Hello everyone, welcome back to our 200 days Python series. In today's video, we are going to learn bitwise operator in Python. Many beginners find bitwise operator confusing because they work with binary numbers, not a normal decimal numbers. But don't worry, by the end of the video, you will understand every bitwise operator with easy examples. Basically, what is a binary? A binary Before learning a bitwise operator, we first need to understand binary numbers. As a human, we used to decimal number system which has digits from 0 to 9, but computer understand only two numbers, only two digits, basically zeros and ones. This is called a binary number system. Every decimal number can be represented in binary, like we understand here, like we writing here decimal and binary. Okay, so here this is 1, so 0001. 1 1 2 1 2 4 8 4 8. So when it was calculated, uh, eh, 8 is a 0, 4 is 0, 2 is a 0, 1 is 1, so values comes to 1. Okay, whenever we use bitwise operator, Python first convert a number into binary. Finally, it's convert the result back into the decimal. Just look at this. First of all, we using bitwise AND operator. So A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3. So print A and B. So let's check here. Okay, A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. So we want to 5. So here we calculated here. Okay, just a second. 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, and B is equal to 3. Okay, B equal to 3. So here is 0 0 1 and 1. Okay, so here is the AND operator, bitwise AND. Okay, so 0 and 0 will come when both values are same. Then 0, and because 1 and 0 are not same, so it comes 0, and 0 and 1 is also not same, then comes 0 and 1. So the output is 1, because 0001 it's 1. CD 200 days and Python day 13 .py, the value will be 1. Why? Because the values are not same, these values are not same, that's why. And only one values are same for 5 and 3 bitwise operator, that's why it should be like that. Okay, basically we can say first give zeros, and 1 and 0 gives also 0, 0 and 1 gives also 0, and 1 and 1 gives 1. So the result will be binary is equal to, the answer will be 0001, and the binary is 0001 is equal to decimal 1, therefore the output will be 1. Okay, We will go to OR operator. Basically, I would not use, I use here one pipe. So the OR operator return 1 if at least one value is, at least one bit is 1. Let's check it here. Okay. For OR operator, okay. For OR operator, 0011. Okay. Now what is the answer? If 0 or 0, it comes 0. If 0, if 1 or 0, it comes 1. If 1 or 0, it comes 1. If 1 or 1, it comes 1. So 4, 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. So the result will be, so the result becomes 0111. The binary, basically binary have a 0111 equal to a decimal 7. Okay. We will check here also the result. Okay. The result will be same. Now we will go to XOR, bitwise XOR. Okay. XOR means exclusive or. Exclusive or, it returns only one value but both, when both bits are different. Like here we can change symbol also. Okay. If both bits are same, the result will be 0. Uh, just a second. If both bits are same, the result will be 0. Basically, so the 0 XOR 0, the result will be 0 because both values are same, and 1 XOR 0, the result will be 1, and 0 and 1, the result will be 1, and 1 and 1, the result will be 0 because both values are same, so the result will be 6. Here it is. Okay. Then we are going to bitwise not. Okay. The not operator flip every bits, every 0 becomes 1 and every 1 becomes 0. In Python, not use a method called to complement to represent negative number. That's why negation 5 returns a negative 6. Like instead of the positive number, a simple trick you can use like this. I will use here like negation n equal to minus n plus 1. Okay, you are using this on when minus 5 minus braces 5 plus 1 equal to minus 6. Okay, so this is the easiest way to remember the not operator basically. So we will check here, the result will be minus 6. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Bye bye.